The time now is 6:41, and let's look outside. There are those raindrops we've been talking about. This is a live view from the WeatherStem camera at the FSU Marine Lab in Franklin County. And yep,
there's the rain that we've been promised, and it's a little warmer than yesterday, though. That's what I'm glad about. That's the positive I'm taking, Rob.
Yeah, even though it's still in the 40s, we'll look on the bright side that it is warmer than yesterday morning.
Yeah, it is definitely warmer than yesterday morning, that's for sure. The last couple mornings, we were back in the mid-20s. Today, it's a lot of mid-40s, and daytime highs today, I hope we get back up over 50, but I'm not convinced we're going to get there. Not with the clouds and the showers and even the bit of the breeze that'll perk up a little bit later on today. So kind of a cool and gloomy and nasty day shaping up for us on this Tuesday. Lots of activity on the radar. It's not a ton of rain actually making it to the ground. I don't expect heavy downpours all day, but I do think there can be a couple of downpours mixed in for a lot of light, drizzly, misty type rain, and really it's going to be a lot more of that overcast and gray and gloomy. And of course, the rain that we've seen already this morning has been enough to make those roads a little extra slippery, so be careful out there driving. We're going to find more showers spreading in from the south and west, moving to the north and east. Still feels like the biggest rains are going to stay in our coastal sections and over the Gulf, but as a boundary drops through from the north, as that energy passes by to the south, got a real good recipe here for some solid showers and more clouds lingering throughout the day. It's 43 right now in Thomasville. It's 45 in Tallahassee. Those temperatures haven't moved over the past couple of hours. Valdosta, we're actually up to 46, up a degree. Not raining here, but I think for most of our area, we're going to see those temperatures tightly grouped between 43 and 47. A little warmer at Apalachicola where it's 54. A little break here and there in between some of the showers today might be able to allow more temperatures to get up over 50, but that breeze from the north and east that's going to perk up at times, going to make it feel a little cooler than it is. Kind of a nasty day from start to finish. I don't see a lot of fog out there this morning. I think we'll find a little bit more tomorrow morning. And as all of this moves off to the east, it will take all day for it to get away from our area. This boundary, the leading edge of that next air mass, will come through the area and try to ring out a few more showers for us later on today and tonight too. And then higher pressure takes over for about a day, day and a half. Now the core of the cold with this one staying way to the north. So I don't think we're going to take a big step back into the deep freeze, but I think what will happen over the next couple of days is we clear up a little bit. It may take a while tomorrow to scour out all those clouds. Today, gloomy, damp, wet, chilly. And then for Thursday, probably looking like the best day of the week before we start looking west for the next energy. That also may take more of a southern route around the area and limit our chances to get wet. Got a couple of days to work on that part of the forecast for you. Small crafts, be advised, breezy, wet out there on the Gulf today. Winds out of the east and northeast 15 to 25 and seas maybe as high as 5 feet. It's high tides first up starting around 7 o'clock this morning. Most of us are in the 40s. The rain chances go from 70, 80%, maybe to 80 or 90% this afternoon. Expect to get wet, lots of clouds, cold. I hope we get to 50. Tonight, those showers will eventually fizzle out. The clouds are going to be stubborn, mid-40s for overnight lows, so not super cold tomorrow morning. And tomorrow, improving conditions. The cold and wet is today. The gloomy hopefully goes away, and the brightest day is Thursday. Fingers crossed that we end up drier Friday, Saturday, but we might bring in another round of showers. And I see more cold coming on Sunday.